Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature on mySites.guru. On mySites.guru, you can set up sub-accounts for different team members that are helping you or working on Joomla sites that you manage. And now with this new feature, you can impersonate them on the site. That lets you very easily log in as them so you can see what they see in order to help support them and also double check your settings if you need to. Let's turn our attention to the computer and check it out. I've logged into mySites.guru main account, and now I'm going to go to the team folder. To find that, I click on account in the top right, and then I click on the Your Team tab. Again, each time you need to click I understand to accept all the terms of about your team, and once you do, you'll be able to access and see the settings for your different team members. Here's one that I've called Joomla Tutorials. And as we scroll way over to the right, we'll see the button Impersonate. And by clicking on Impersonate, I can now see everything that that team member sees. This is great if I want to make sure that they have access to all the sites that I want them to, or I guess even sites I don't want them to have access to. Or I can also log in as them and try to understand maybe if they're having some difficulties that they're describing. I can see them exactly on the screen. When you're done impersonating one of your team members, just go up to the top bar and click on Exit Impersonation. Now let me show you another way that you can impersonate one of your team members. Again, you will go to Account, the Team Member tab, I understand, and now instead of clicking on Impersonate, we're going to click Edit. In here we can edit all of the settings for our team member, but you'll notice that here's a button here under Actions, which is now Impersonate Team Member. We can click that, and once again, we'll view everything that they can see. Now logged in as them, we can go up to Account, and we can see all of their account settings. And then in General Settings, here's the other things that we can change, setting things up exactly how we want them for them, or perhaps if they've requested a certain setup and don't know how to do it themselves. Again, to exit impersonation, just click Exit Impersonation in the top, and you'll be back to your main screen. Team member impersonation is a really cool feature added to mySites.guru, even if you don't have a team. A lot of people that work on their own are actually creating profiles in order to separate different blocks of sites so they can work on them all at once. And this ability to log in as one of those profiles right from your main account is a super time saver. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and ring the bell so you get notifications of new tutorials and live streams here on the channel. And don't forget to head on over to basicjoomla.com/giveaways, sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be automatically entered in our monthly giveaway for some great Joomla prizes. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.